Today, we're talking about something that's shaking up the world of coding, vibe coding. You might have heard the buzz, but is it just a trend or the next evolution of programming? Let's break it down and figure out what this new movement is all about. All right, so in March 2025, a new trend called vibe coding hit the scene, and the reaction from the programming community has been wild. But what exactly is vibe coding? Simply put, it's about embracing the flow of coding without getting caught up in the little things like perfect syntax, structure, or following every so-called best practice. Instead of meticulously crafting every line of code, vibe coding focuses on trusting AI tools, riding the wave, and letting the creative process unfold organically. It's less about the nitty-gritty and more about getting things done quickly and efficiently. This trend started when indie hacker Peter Levels built a pretty basic flight simulator MMO using JavaScript. It wasn't anything groundbreaking, but here's the kicker. He leveraged his massive Twitter following to sell in-game ads, and boom, he made some serious cash. And that's when things really took off. Developers everywhere started creating games, apps, and projects with AI-generated code, throwing them into the internet wild with minimal effort. But here's the burning question. Is this the future of programming? A bold prediction comes from the CEO of Anthropic, who believes that in just a year, AI will be responsible for writing most of the code out there. And today, we're going to dive into what vibe coding means for the future and whether it's here to stay. Before we go deeper, let's get one thing straight. Coding is just translating logic into machine-readable instructions. It's the process of writing code, purely focused on creating the instructions that computers follow. But programming? That's a whole different game. It's about solving real problems, understanding design, and taking a creative approach to building things that are functional and efficient. Programming is art and science. It's about making decisions and refining things until they work just right. Now, if you're just tossing together AI-generated code without any understanding of the bigger picture, it might not last long. And let's be real. Vibe coding doesn't come without its risks. Take this story. One developer built a SaaS product, got paying customers, and things seemed to be going well. But the moment it went live, chaos hit. Hackers exploited vulnerabilities, broke the system, and left a total mess behind. The developer's response? I have no idea what happened. Took me forever to figure this out. Unfortunately, the app crashed, and he had to beg for his job back at Popeyes. This isn't just a one-off situation. Vibe coding can work, but it needs to be done right.